Look, Coco, look at my watermelon. These are beautiful. Is my air conditioner on? Why is it so cold? Coco, come here. Let's go to the balcony. Oh, it's a sunny day. I love it. Let's just stay out here. After all, it's warm. I want to go to the pool. My little brother doesn't want to voice over, so I'll take it over. Oh no, it's snowing, Coco. Yes, it's so cold. Let's go inside. Yeah. Okay, I'll put you to bed and I'll tell Mom about this. I really wanted to go to the pool though. Let's go. Now, I think this is the area. Oh yeah, this is Mom's bathroom and there's the room. Mom. Oh, yes, see? Oh my gosh, it's so cold. Why is it so cold? Did you on the air conditioner on max? I jinxed the sky. What? You can't even jinx the sky? Oh, how did you even do that? Oh my gosh. Because I said it's a sunny day. Oh my gosh. Hey. Oh, it's so cold. What's happening? Oh, actually, it's really cold. What? He jinxed the sky. What? By saying it's a sunny day? I heard that. So what do we do now? It's a snowstorm. Oh my gosh, we have nothing to do. We don't have food. It's so cold. Let me see if it's an actual snowstorm. Let's check. Snowstorm. Oh my gosh, it's the most powerful snowstorm yet. What? It really? Oh my gosh. I know. What do we do? What do we do? I don't know. Don't ask me. Okay, we need to find a solution. No, I'm bored. Wow. I came back from my sleepover. Oh my gosh, I have so much stuff. I can't believe I brought that much. So first I got my sleeping bag. Where do I put this? I think I'll just put it behind. No, it's a little too shooting. I'll just put it again. There. Okay. It doesn't show anymore. Now my clothes. Let's put it there. And I think that's done. Oh wait, I have some more stuff. Oh my gosh, why did I pack so much? Okay, Oh, I need to give this to my mom. I brought this for her. Mom, yes? Oh, yeah, it's a snowstorm. No more sleepovers. Stop joking around. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Bye-bye. Yeah. What is that, sweetie? Where did you get that? Oh my gosh. Oh. Wait, I'm still picking the emotions. Wait. Okay. Oh, I love it. This is so beautiful. I'll put it in my room. Okay. I'll put this here and this here. Do you like my new makeover for the daughter's room? Because the old room was too clumped and I don't like it. And I'm just gonna play with my dimple. Oh my gosh. Wait, the power is out. Mom, the power is out. Oh my gosh, I should tell them. Mom. Yes, yeah, I love the thing you gave me. Oh my gosh, the power is out. The power is out. Oh my gosh, babe. The power is out. Mommy, I'm scared. Oh no. He's crying again. I'm gonna put you to bed. No, nothing's wrong. Okay? So let's put you to bed in Margaret. And I'm going to sleep, so you guys are doing that. Dad, you're going to bed in shoes. Oh my gosh, yes, you're going to bed in shoes. Take your slippers off at least. Wear your pajamas. Oh, okay. Wait, you should just get this flashlight here. Look.
Here, it's over here. See? Okay. I swear I had something in my room. I just found. Oh yes, it's this one. Yes. Okay, now I'm gonna put my fidget back and let's go. I have this candle. I'm not sure if it does that much, but yeah. Okay, mom, here. Oh, that looks good. Yeah. Okay, so let's do this. I don't know. Uh, your dad knows this, but he's sleeping, so I should wake him up. Yeah, we should wake him up. Yeah. Okay. So I know. So we're gonna wake him up. Yes. He needs to wake up. Wake up. Wake up. We don't know how to use this flashlight. It's what? You just woke me up from my nap. Yeah, it's literally on. Do you see? Still, you need to hold it. Here, have it. Okay? Okay. So, what do I do with this? Just hold it. Just hold it. Okay. I'm going in my room. You guys, I don't know. Good luck and blah 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 blah. I don't know what she's gonna say now. Okay. Now we're gonna put my. You know what? I'm gonna go to bed. Yeah. Oh, it's freezing. Still, the power is out. So I still gotta. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. It's cold though. I think I'm gonna go to bed. So I'm gonna put this back. Turn it off. I need to blow the candle out. Okay, done. Okay, I'm going to bed. Wait, I can't move with this on. Should I try it again? No. Okay, I should just go to bed. Oh, I forgot I can't move with it. Okay, now I'm gonna put this on and I'm going to bed. What should we do? Oh my gosh, we're gonna be stuck here. It's so hot. Wait, I mean cold. Wait, the kids don't have food. Oh my gosh, the kids don't have food. The kids don't have food. Oh my gosh. Oh really? Where? For what? They don't have food? What do we do? What do we do? What do we do? Blah 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 blah. What should we do? I don't know. I have something here. Really? What is it? It may be weird, but it's worth it. Here. Okay, this one and here. And here is the lunchbox. What is that? It's so dusty. Look, literally. No, it's not. That's grossing me out. Hey, don't do that. It's just an apple. Oh my gosh, what? Look, it's literally not dusty. Mom, there's a worm in that. I don't want to eat that. Ew. No, it's good. No, it's good. It's good. It's good. Oh my gosh, just eat it. No, don't be picky. We're not picky, we just don't want to get sick. Oh my gosh, just eat it. You eat first. I'm not eating first. Fine, I'm gonna put this back. Oh my gosh. Okay, so what are we gonna do? The power's back on! Really? Yay! The power's back on! Okay, so we're gonna... Okay, my daughter is sleeping, so I'll end the channel for her. Goodbye, guys! Have a great day. Bye!